Good morning, guys. How are you guys doing? How are you guys doing today? Can you guys hear me? Oh man, looks like my mic is working. What's going on with Zoom? Okay, you get the guys on Zoom cannot hear me. Let me see what's going on here. Can you guys hear me? You guys on Zoom?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm trying to use my other microphone here. Okay, can you guys hear me? Still hear me?
Hold up.
You said yes?
Yes.
All right, cool. Just trying to make sure. All right, so for those of you watching me on YouTube, as you guys are hopping on, keep smashing that like button. So looking at GG here, I feel like GG is gonna keep dropping here. But before that, let me have some music going here. Oh no, actually I found something else. Go to YouTube. Just give me a second, guys. I'm trying to have some music playing here. There's really nothing going on right now at the moment. What's this code again? Music 2022. I should have pulled this up before I started this stream. Which one is it? Which one is it? Man, do you guys watch NBA? Lakers is trash this season. Man, I'm not sure which one it is. Man, my Wi-Fi is tripping today too. Okay, we're just gonna wait for that. I don't know why it's taking forever to load. So, looking here at GJ. So looking here at GJ, we're gonna be taking sales below 159, 200 here. For that, let's go to the 30-minute time frame here. Let's go to the H1. So you can see that we had a support here to the left. Price came down, rejected it. So now, though we have a break and retest here, but we're gonna wait until price breaks 159, and then we take a sell from there. Buys, just in case, prefer buys at above 161,500 because we had resistance here. Looking at this on the H1, support here, resistance here. So if price breaks above 161,500, that's going to be a good zone to get in for buys. Hopefully we won't have to wait. Oh, did I just delete it? I didn't mean to do that. Okay, so we have potential buys here. Can you guys still hear me? Good morning, Osman. Good morning, DJ Fisher. How are you guys doing this morning? As you guys are hopping on, keep smashing that like button for me. Those of you watching on Zoom, can you guys hear me?
We got you.
Alright, cool. I just need to know. What happened to the... Oh. Now I gotta do this again. That's what we're looking at for GJ here. Hopefully we won't have to wait freaking long before before we take a position today. So there are two zones here that we can actually take sales from. 135,200 and also 134,800. But I'd rather take my sales here because we have a resistance here, and price can either break through this and close below it, or reject it, create a support here, and then continue pushing down. So I'll take my sales there if we're gonna take EJ. So sales below 134,600. And then buys is going to be above this resistance zone here, and more buys above this resistance zone here. So good morning, Troy. Good morning, Troy. As you guys are helping out, keep smashing that like button for me, guys. Thank you. Alright, that's that for EJ. So London session opens at opens in the next 19 minutes here. So we'll see what happens when London session opens. Oil, please. What do you mean? What do you mean, Reverend? There? What do you mean by oil, please? I don't understand what you mean. Alright, I don't understand what you mean, Ravinda. So this is what we're looking at for GJ. So we'll see what happens. Did you guys trade Asian session? Oh, oil as in the chart. Oh, okay. I didn't know I didn't know that was what he was talking about. Can you send it to the Send it to the Discord, Ravinda, and I'll take a look at your charts. I don't trade oil. It's like you guys on Zoom cannot hear me. Can you guys hear me on Zoom?
Yeah, you good on Zoom.
Okay. So all we can do now is just wait. This was actually a break. Price rejected the support. Then it retested this previous support here. But now it's trying to pull back. The 1 hour candle hasn't closed yet, and this 1 hour candle can still flip bullish. But if it closes bearish, that would be good for the price to keep pushing down. If this 1 hour candle closes bearish, this 4 hour candle is still bullish, but it can still flip bearish as well if price wants to keep pushing down. I don't trade STI USD either, you have in there. But if you want me to take a look at it, just send it to the Discord and I'll take a look at it. And let me know when you send it. at the H1 time frame, GU is trying to break this previous support here. It's trying to break it here now. If it does, but then it still needs to break above this previous support turn resistance here at 1.31600 for price to continue going up, because it could still reject this resistance here and push down. Waiting game. Hey Caleb, how you doing? Yeah, hopefully we're not gonna be here for too long, just like freaking yesterday. Did you guys trade Asian session? I need to change this streaming schedule real quick since I don't do New Year session anymore. You must have sold EJ then during New York session, because you dropped for New York session. Even though we took a buy pre-New York session, but we just dropped right after that. Rejected that 137, I think it was 137.049 zone. Good morning, Michael. Good morning, Mark. Oh, you tried to sell NZD USD. Oh, sorry about that. It hit your SL. Oh, you slept off, Troy? You didn't trade Asian session? Yeah, I was going to, but then I was on a Zoom meeting yesterday, and after the Zoom meeting, I was like, you know what, let me just watch some movie. I'll trade during London, even though I saw the move, but I just didn't want to take the trade. I felt like watching a movie. Yeah, this entire move here, I could have caught this entire move, because this move was Asian session, this sell here. So now London session opens in 6 minutes, so we're about to see if we're gonna have a downtrend continuation here. So we just gotta be patient and wait now. Oh, dude. My phone just fell. Keep smashing that like button for me, guys. I appreciate you all.
I'm still in the EUR USD sale from yesterday myself.
Oh, really? You took a sale on EU?
Yeah, we hit that resistance zone yesterday. And it pulled all the way back to that same zone again. Now it's coming back down again.
Oh, that resistance zone we talked about on Zoom last night?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Honestly, if GJ here on the 4-hour time frame, if this candle flips bearish it's a good opportunity to take sales too. How many pips is there? That's about 60 pips back to this support zone here. And if price continue pushing down, that would be amazing. I don't want this 1 hour bearish candle to, okay, it just closed. Keep smashing that like button for me, guys. As you guys are hopping on.
Look, never mind on that EU. It just totally reversed and shot up and stopped me out.
Oh, damn. Let's take a look at EU. Actually, GU. GU is not doing nothing. This is 400, not 500. Oh wow. But it still needs to break this resistance. Needs to break this resistance. It's gonna keep going up.
Yeah, I haven't seen it break that one in a long time.
What's going on? Breaks this resistance at 1.11400, price is gonna keep pushing up here.
Yep, that's the point. That's the point where the point of no return is what I'm calling it.
It's been trying to break it though. It might break it now, and if it does, that's a buy right there. These gaps right here, that was market open. at EU as well. I just don't like how EU moves. It moves too slow for me. That's why I don't trade it that often. Okay, GJ is trying to continue down here. That's good. That's what I want to see. That's what I want to see. Stops a bit too big. Yep, I'm expecting it to keep dropping. Well, Michael, you said today must be fruitful. Yes, it will. It will be fruitful. You still in Louisiana, Gary?
I'm in Bishop, Texas. Right now, it's like just southwest of Corpus Christi.
Oh yeah, you said that yesterday. Okay. Oh, you're close to. You're not far from Dallas then.
No, I'm closer to Houston than Dallas.
Oh really? Oh.
Yeah, it's southwest of Houston.
Oh.
Yeah, 152 miles from Houston.
Oh, that's not far at all. That's like 2 hours and a few minutes and some minutes. Price is just ranging at this previous support and resistance now. And here you could actually take a buy above this zone as well, but I'd rather wait for 161.500. According to the higher time frame here, we're still in an uptrend here. So, and the reason why I'd rather take sales below 159.000, if you look at this here, we have a support here, and then we have clean candles up until 157.000. So if price breaks below 159.000, price should come all the way down to 157.00. So that's what I'm looking at. Said EU is looking to break, yeah, EU is looking to break that resistance. See what EU does. Keep smashing that like button for me, guys. Good morning, Selu. How you said background self, you snoozing? Okay, you might be right. It's too chill. Thank you for subscribing, J.R. Johnson. Alright, I'm about to change it. Come on. If the music is too loud, let me know, guys. I'm good, Akko. I hope I pronounced your name right. Keep smashing that like button for me, guys. I appreciate you all. Let me see if I can find no copyright hip hop songs on YouTube. What's wrong with YouTube? Top tier to keep my thoughts clear. I see the optim there. I'm on my shot. Call it big boss shit. I never know the time. I'm never clocking it. Wildflower, I'm like Denzel. I've been the men on fire. Bitch, I'm hot lava. You are not scarlet. You a proudly a real nigga to the cover field. Heart chill from all this talking real. Recent life feel like a highlight reel. Currently thumbing through currency. I'm from the avenue. Bitch, I'ma get it regardless. I told little baby to slide with that lotus. Pull up with the
They just cut the check, so I'm up in this lit. I say for Jake.
Let's try this one. Damn, what's going on with YouTube? YouTube is tripping. If it's too loud, let me know, guys. Oh, it's probably too loud.
He'd have a fit if he got over there and you really had somebody else up in there. I wish you had somebody who could just stand in and act like they was your man. 'Cause that's what he get. He don't need to think he have his cake and eat it too. Fuck.
Huh? What's going on over there, Kristen? What's going on, Kristen?
Sorry, talking to my sister.
Oh. Whoever that man is in trouble now.
I know, right?
He's in big trouble.
See, that's why you always mute out when you come on Zoom.
It's crazy how price was trending during Asian session, and now we're in London session and nothing is going on. It's just ranging. It's like Gigi doesn't know what he wants to do. A lot of traders love trading GJ. might take this. I might take this quick sell if this 4-hour candle flips bearish. Let me see, what's the S stop loss gonna be on that if I do? Maybe when this 30-minute candle closes, if it closes bearish. Stop loss is gonna be kind of big. Stop loss is gonna be too big. And even though it's GJ, but if this candle flips bearish, man, this 4-hour candle can just freaking spike through this support zone here. Did EU break that zone yet? Ooh, rejected it again.
Okay, rejected and coming back down again. I had a limit sale set. Well, if we got back up there again.
We
So
have,
on my other account, I'm back in.
yeah, but we have this low here on the 15-minute time frame, so it could just come back down, we test this and then continue going up. But if it breaks this low here, then it's coming down.
Yeah, it's working a zone like between 1.11057-ish and 1.11352-ish. That's basically the zone it's been working back and forth between. So I'm playing it like a swing right now, really.
Oh, okay. Okay, GG.
Empty and still trying to see if they're gonna give me 20, but it's tripping.
GG looks like it's ready now. GG is coming back down. And this 15-minute candle on this 15-minute candle is looking pretty, such that it doesn't have no wick at the top. But then again, it's a continuation candle, so oh yeah, I'm gonna go use the restroom real quick, guys, before I miss this GJ entry. I'm back, guys. Oh, Kings FX, can you send it to the Discord? Send your charts to the Discord, and I will take a look at it. Keep smashing that like button, guys. GJ is not ready. Man, all this beat is trash. I'm going back to this is trash.
To the neck that I stretched to start my day, I hit the gas dance. Niggas is different now. I was down dead, but that's all in the past tense. So I can't stop shit till I'm top 10, and I'm not 10. I'm so in love with the process. Not all in the day, but it took him some time to feel wrong. I just come to crib, never home. No, I can't keep in charge of the phone. So she thinks she in love with a ghost. When I'm home, I make sure that she get what she needs, so she know what I'm capable of. Know my rhythm is far with the pros. They pay me to hear what I'm on, to ask what I'm on. I'm doing great, I suppose. Cause I get to do what I want, it's legit, but it sound like it's straight from the stove. They playing my tape in the field and they treat me like I'm making plays in the fourth. But a beam bang with a force. I'm a product to stay in the course, yeah. I watch my step on a tightrope. The rate going up at a high slope. I don't got a work-life balance. I'm never throwing the talent. The pin game hella nice with it. The flow heavy like a hydrant. But it come with a patent, I'm laughing at Benjamin. All of them boys, they won't bite it. I keep my center and shine like I'm supposed to. The way I deliver, they post. Going somewhere you ain't seen on no atlas. It look like we stepping through portals. I'm off of the potion, the devil been calling, but I just ignored it for it. Task force told me go up. Can you ask for it? Task force told me go up.
Charlie, today let me play the music I have here already on Streamlabs. Yeah. Hello, Mona Lisa. Kings FX, send it to the Discord. And just let me know when you send it, and I'll take a look at it. If you took sales already, you'll be worried right now. Lagarde is going to speak today. Excuse me. Yeah, we have it. We have GBP news coming up at 3:10 a.m. It's not a high impact news; it's a medium impact news. So we'll see what happens after that. After 3:10 a.m., we'll see what happens. Keep smashing that like button, guys. Richard, I'm looking at your markup on GJ. Not bad. Not bad at all. Yeah, if GJ breaks 161.500, it's also going to break that trend line. It would be nice to, it would be better to take buys from there. this retest here during Asian session worked perfectly well, but so far it's not working out here. It's just ranging. We are the market movers. Oh, you meant where are the market movers? Oh. I said they probably sleeping. Oh, nice background, Richard. Yeah, it was on, but it's off now. I was just about to say, why are you guys hiding your faces?
I'm in the dark, so you couldn't see me no way.
Oh, because you're in the truck?
Yeah. See? You see it in my background.
You got Wi-Fi in your truck?
Got 3 devices though.
Oh.
And all got active and all have Wi-Fi. So.
Okay. Maybe this GBP news is gonna keep pushing GJ down. Even if I want to risk a sell here, right, it has to cross below 159,675. But if I do that, man, my stops is gonna be too big. Yeah, stop loss will be too big. It's just ranging now. You said that they sit and they laughing at us retail traders. My body needs to get used to trading London session again. My body right now is already used to getting up in the morning to trade New York. You laughing, Caleb? How you said this switch is killing you? Dude, it's killing me too. Man, I hope this is not gonna be like freaking yesterday's London session. I was on here for almost 6 hours. That's crazy. I don't know if I'm gonna stay that long today though.
Yeah, me personally, I'm gonna try to make it another maybe 45 minutes, and they give me a couple more hours, because I'm actually starting my day at 6:30.
Oh, okay. Oh, good job, Akko. Shit, this week we've had 2 losses already. NFP week. We've had 2 losses and 3 wins so far this week. Really, Troy? I don't know, maybe because it's NFP week. Because so far this month, I noticed that London session has really been trending, but this week it's not been trending. We had this GJ drop during New York session, and then it retested, and then dropped again during Asian session. And now London session now is ranging. It doesn't want to continue dropping, but we'll see. We're here. Yeah, the main thing is, as long as you're profitable, whatever week, monthly, that's the main thing. As long as you're profitable, I mean, there's nothing you can do about your losses. You're gonna lose. Sometimes, in a week you might have a clean slate and you won't lose any trades at all. And sometimes you would have a losing week, and sometimes you have some losses in that week. But like I said, as long as you're profitable, even if your wins and losses are 50-50, sometimes you find that you will still profitable. How you said they knew we were coming to London. Are you talking, Troy? Are you talking about the EJ buys we took during? It was not even London session. It was like pre-New York session. That was when we took that EJ buys yesterday. Keep smashing that like button for me, guys. I appreciate you all. Oh, the 200 people on Monday? Yeah, going into Monday. It was actually Sunday. Or maybe it was Monday in UK. It was Sunday here. Yeah, it was amazing. I didn't catch 200 pips on that trade though. I caught like 120 pips. That EJ buys Sunday going into Monday. This week is moving fast though. Can you guys believe it's already Wednesday? 2 more days to NFP. NFP, we're definitely gonna have to do New York session. How you have a feeling we stuck to New York session? Man, we'll see. The GJ news already happened, so that didn't have no effect. I know it's probably not going to have any effect because it was not a high impact news. Nothing happened. Looks like it didn't speak. Yeah, nothing happened. He didn't speak. New York session, we only have one high impact news, and that's USD, ADP non-farm employment change. As long as it's above 455,000, then that's going to be good for USD, for the dollar. You go, you have your guns ready for NFP. I don't understand why some people click on a live stream on YouTube and then leave. Like, what are you expecting to see? Like, what are you expecting to see? Like, what are you looking for? I don't understand. If you're looking for signals, this is the best signals ever. You say free signals? Yeah, this is the best signal though. Trading live with a Forex YouTuber is the best signal you can ever find. Really, Troy? That's shade right there. Now, Troy, you're trying to be shady? They're expecting instant miracles like the African pastors. Really, Troy? Yeah, that's why that's why they're still struggling to stay profitable trading. I could be sleeping right now, but I'm here. Cause shit, I got mouths to feed, bills to pay. Especially as an African man living here in the States. Your people back home, they'll be looking for you. Send money. So I gotta be up to make this money. You feel me? Richard, you from Nigeria, right? Oh, looks like Richard is asleep. Can you guys still hear me on Zoom? Oh, okay. Looks like Richard must be asleep. Richard is probably sleeping because he didn't answer me. Keep smashing that like button for me, guys. I should tell them what, Troy? I should tell them your twin on is my twin on YouTube, not me. Yeah, the best indeed. Learning and earning at the same time. Absolutely. Oh, okay. Christian said she can hear very well. All right. When they ask me for money, I should tell them it's not me. It's my twin. Caleb knows Caleb definitely knows understands what I'm talking about. They just think you over here plucking money from the trees, like money is just falling from the trees. But you still always gotta do what you have to do to help them out. Oh yeah, Caleb, I know you do. How many likes can we get today? Keep smashing that like button. Man, I'm sick and tired of this GJ range, man. Oh yeah, trust me, Troy. They know. If you're in a cell right now, you'll be scared as hell. Like, man, I hope this thing falls. I hope this thing falls. You'll be praying to the Forex gods right now. If there's anything like that. The buys we took on EJ yesterday, it did the same thing after we took the buys, but it didn't do it for this long. didn't do it for this long. He said we've got a rich uncle in the States. Man, if I decide today that I'm moving, that I want to move back to Nigeria, I'm a rich man, like rich as hell. Rich as hell. And the good thing about it is if I decide to move back, I can still do this while I'm there. Well, amen to that. Amen to that, Troy. Man, when last did I visit Nigeria? You don't even want to know. To tell you the truth, since I moved here, I haven't been to Nigeria. Thank you for subscribing, Fabian. I moved to America in 2013, and I haven't been back to Nigeria since then. How much is the dollar in Naira right now? Let me see. Yeah, it's been long. Oh damn, 415? Whoa. Oh yeah, I'm rich as fuck. Excuse my language. Wow, interesting. Huh. Okay. That's very nice. I mean, not good for the Nigerian economy, but for people like us, that's very nice. You said, oh yeah, I did that already. Yep, I already calculated it in Nigerian money already. I mean, what am I supposed to do? I'm not American. I'm Nigerian, even though I live here. No matter how long I'm here in America, I'm still gonna go back home one day. I'm still gonna go back home one day. Not just to visit, but to move back there completely. Ball anywhere, money is freedom. Honestly, freedom is not just all about the money. That's the misconception a lot of people have about freedom. Freedom isn't just about the money. It's like when you come into this Forex industry as a beginner and all you can think about is the money. That's you already set yourself up for failure because you've got it all wrong. If all you're thinking about is the money as a beginner and you come into this industry, once you start losing, the next thing you're gonna do is to quit, and once you quit, it's game over for you. You didn't even get the opportunity to find out if this is really what you want to do. You didn't give it a chance, and you quit because all you were thinking about is the money as a beginner. So that's what I always tell beginners, like, if you coming into this industry, man, forget about the money. Forget about the money because you're gonna lose. And I'm talking about you're gonna lose a lot. You're gonna blow account upon account upon account upon account. It's gonna happen. There's nothing you can do about it. So don't think about the money. Focus on perfecting your skill. Focus on perfecting your craft when it comes to trading. And then the money will come. The money will follow. You said that's why we're in this Forex game? Caleb, proudly African. Yes, proudly African. It's your ability to make money solo with no boss. Yep, that's the definition of freedom. I'm from Lagos, Michael. Lagos, Nigeria. Yep, the money is key, but you have to learn the skill set first. Facts. Let's see if GJ is ready to move now. Now we might see GJ dropping it now, because I like this candle has a wick at the top, open with a wick at the top, so we'll see what happens if it's gonna drop. Even USD is really trying to break this resistance. Oh, Richard, you are awake now. Are you in Nigeria? Do you live in Nigeria? Oh, it's muted again. Yep, and don't just rely on signals group. Yep, you got to learn the skill set yourself. Even if you're paying for signals, while you're paying for signals, make sure you're learning the skill set on your own. If you are able to turn $10 to $20, guess what? That means you doubled your account size. Just do the same thing. The same thing that you did. Just keep doing the same thing. Don't look for any other strategy. Just keep repeating the same thing that you did and stick to it. If you can double your account size, just keep doing the same thing you're doing. You don't need to switch. How many accounts did I blow before I became profitable? Man, I can't count. And another thing another mistake that a lot of traders make is that when they make money trading, a lot of traders, they don't withdraw their money. Like, why are you not withdrawing your money? You don't know what might happen the following week. You might give back what you've made. You might give it back to the market. You might not have a profitable week the following week. So why not withdraw the profit you made by the end of the week or daily, whatever you want to do? Because if you're not withdrawing, even though you was profitable this week and you didn't withdraw, now the following week, if you ended up having a losing week, it's going to affect your confidence and you start doubting yourself. Or maybe you ended up blowing that account the following week. You're just going to start doubting yourself. You lose your confidence, and now you feel like, you know what, I need to take a break from trading. But if you withdrawing, you're still gonna have your confidence. You feel like, oh yeah, I know what I'm doing. I just have to keep going. I just have to keep doing what I'm doing, and not over leverage. Have good paper risk management. Not over trade. Don't trade every single pair under the sun. Pick a session that you want to trade, because this is all about freedom. If you're trading everything on every pair under the sun and you're trading every freaking session, like, where's the freedom in that? You don't have freedom. In fact, you're still working a 9 to 5 if you're doing that. You're still working a 9 to 5 if you're doing that. Yeah, what kills people is they hop from strategy to strategy. Yep, that's one of the reasons. Yep, there's no holy grail, nothing like that. There is no holy grail strategy. Oh, Michael, you said 10 or more? I honestly don't know. Maybe 10 or maybe a little bit more. I don't know. I didn't keep track of the accounts that I've blown. Despite the fact that I blew so many accounts when I was starting out, I didn't give up. I just kept going, and I thank God for where I am today. I just fell in love with Forex, man. I just fell in love with it. Like, if Forex was a woman, a human being, I would be married to Forex right now. Forex would be my wife. Oh, nice. Sigma FX, thank you for hopping on. Welcome to the family. Maybe. I don't think it's gonna break out the range. But this is what I'm gonna say though. I think, let's go to the 4-hour time frame here. Oh, okay. So this 4 hour candle closed bearish. I mean, close. If it closes bullish, and if it closes above 160, 160.000, then GG, we might see GJ going back up. But remember, we also have this support zone here. So if it breaks above that support zone, then you can take a buy up until 161.500, because we also have a support, a resistance that became support here. So we might see a rejection from there, and price might just continue going up. You never know. Those are just going to be your TP zones that you need to watch out for. Because the overall trend on GJ, the overall trend is still an uptrend. But honestly, on GJ, I prefer 161.500 to take buys. Lagarde speaks in 8 minutes. Are you sure? Because according to Forex Factory, there's no GBP news here. We already have this GBP news at 3:10 a.m. Well, you know though, because you live in the UK, but according to Forex Factory, I can't see that here. I need another music. You said EU news?
gotta help you hold on about it. Then it's an heirloom, the clock still ticking, the time keeps slipping like the Space Jam homage. Don't discard the nonsense, that's the best part about this life. You don't swallow, chew up your heart, got those parts just polish, don't build like no bother, all food, no father, it's all good, man. Your motto, like the bad ain't got you broken, and your state ain't shocking up. Try to deny it, just to let it get involved with life. There's no pause, but it grab it when it comes. Ain't no Adam Sandler.
Well, this candle closes in 2 minutes.
Slow down. It ain't all gonna happen at once. Or settle down. Let it settle down. Everything that's good ain't always gonna be there. Shit will mess around. Or settle down. You better settle down. Everything that's good ain't always gonna be there. Shit will mess around. I'm hyper focused.
Man, this is crazy. Ooh. EU broke above. EU finally broke above. Oh man. So this candle flips bullish.
Out here on the beach, my fingers in the sand, water at my feet. Can I just get some release? Everybody falls off the tippy if they tall talk. Don't come and talk to me. I ain't trying to see fear of death.
Yeah, there's another zone at 1.11 800.
Got some issues with my worldview. I'm ironing out the kinks. I ain't trying to be a king. Crowns ain't the way to bring love. Soft touch, hard hands, leave the backwards and devils. These mans really think they work to be swept up in the magic. Singing, bitch, I'm that. I get it.
Yeah.
You gotta hold your shit up to a measure. Did that, been there, done that. Out and on the run now, you just can't get away. Driving in the dead night, like highway signs for headlights. Mac DeMarco, treating it like medicine. On the coast of the Kuala, running from my problems. Staring at water like an instrument. I ain't being honest. Honestly, the way I've been acting, fucking problem. Feet up my act ASAP, water to the Rocky. The last one fucking cheesy, but you cheesy while I'm talking. As long as you be smiling at me, if I'm on my up, yeah, fucking if you isn't. You here by the ocean, you just got your pick religion.
But I feel like since USD broke this resistance, if this candle flips bullish, EU is gonna keep going up.
Wrote this in the kitchen of my mom's new house. This is me investigation with this better coming out. I came out when I was 18 and my mom kicked me out. Now I'm sitting in the kitchen in a brand new house. I mean, it's funny how it all panned out. Almost like the man upstairs got it all planned out. And I know if I believe that, I know right now. It's my moment I will seize it, it won't all fall down. Let go of the dark days I spend in my sneakers. Yeah, you can take me, try mile if you want. Been a hard thing to find something that I can believe in. Water looking back, I think I got it. Life is not a problem. The problem what you make of life so solve. If you don't open doors, they bound to keep revolving. So bust through. Fuck on everything they say. Trust you. That's the way you make it to the places you want to.
He is gonna keep going up.
Niggas digging in the sand while it's sitting at my feet. If I'm an anti at the beach, let me find my feet. Drive the coastline to the no more sea to sea. Then I'm heavy on the gas. Travel away until I pass my past. And all of that shit left behind the glass. Whether it be full or empty, that's a choice. Ear out to the ocean, let the answer in its voice.
It even closed above resistance on the 4-hour time frame. If this candle flips bullish, your EU should keep going up. So let's see what EU is gonna do here.
these opportunities were just across the bridge. The world was more than twice the size, and now I was a kid. Traded in the comfort zone for life, I'm on the edge. I was gaining all my dreams, holding tightly to the pledge to myself. Was quick to move, was waist deep in the sand. We were starving to beat off all the seeds that we planted. Somewhere back a couple of years in the attic, I almost just a plan. But shipped the word to the label back when the bars were bland. Man, my word though I followed through on prior engagement. The tip of my tongue not far from the innovation. Now it's mine for the taking. Tell the people mistaking me for somebody that's
Well, we have a high impact news from USD at 7:15. That's in about 3 hours. If we take buys on EU, hopefully we can get at least 20 pips before New York session opens.
Pushing the weight of the world while they sound of the fresh. Forcing the fame in my favor, kick back and watch the skeleton. More than just all in a day. Spend time with the struggle, I know it too well. We gone separate ways. So my biggest fear is to change. If I lose it, then reunite. Will I break the promise to stay the same?
Lie to me, tell me that you're not for me. 'Cause you're feeling crazy. You're so crazy. And I don't wanna seem lonely. I don't wanna seem lonely. I don't wanna be lonely.
Middle 2010s, stuck in a place secluded deep in my mind. I'm looking out through the
I'm gonna go use the restroom real quick, guys.
back then I realized that I do it again. All these unfamiliar faces fade from existence back with impeccable time, and I've been forgiven, but I'll never forget. But I kept it solid and simple, stuck to the rail. My word been a bond. Official, you frequent with the slipper. Used to love this more like this result that I needed. Travel to answer the word, it makes the pleasure of business. Took my time on it, won't benefit from overdue revision. Learned that they lackluster love is really deep in the evil. Tread water lightly, the waves intimidate them. One in my hand much too often, I set the expectation. Now I navigate it dolo, unclear on praises you gave. When there's the finest line between jealousy signs of your vibration. This one's for them calling me crazy, more for the ones that told them pay me no mind. Those were the words that shake me. Or rounded it with a pin that I pieced it all together. Standing here puzzled at the way we built up the foundation. This one's for the brodies, I got us. Get 50-50, keeping some of 100. Make do what life has got us. Let go and wait and put faith in the process. Make the most of it. We got us some time, we allotted. Call it how I see it, provide our witness statement. The way things were gone, I'm all in on the table. They made the plan for the night, I made the long-term arrangement. Take it up to a peak that we no longer afraid of. I just wanna be that's what you are to me.
Lie to me, tell me that you're not for me. 'Cause you've been feeling crazy lately. You're so crazy. And I don't wanna seem lonely, lonely, lonely. But I don't wanna be lonely, no, no.
All these opportunities were just across the bridge. The world was more than twice the size, and now I was a kid. Traded in the comfort zone for life, I'm on the edge. I was gaining all my dreams, holding tightly to the pledge to myself. Was quick to move, was waist deep in the sand. We were starving to beat off all the seeds that we planted. Somewhere back a couple of years in the attic, I almost just a plan. I shipped the word to the label back when the bars were bland. Man, of my word though I followed through on prior engagement. The tip of my tongue not far from the innovation. That was mine for the taking. Tell the people mistaking me for somebody to toy with the plug, the ox to play me. Time was paralyzed, I felt the strain to stretch my lungs. Confidence depleted, right along with all the funds. Those days it was less about the bread that we obtained. The other way to slice it, I was scraping by on crumbs, but I loved the feeling, the odds against me. Couldn't tell me that I wouldn't get it, I wanted plenty. I was quick to defend me, feeling surrounded by angels, demons on rare occasion. Trying to shake the momentum, soon as I find the cadence. Leave it all in the record, that's my only reference. Shocked how the bars
This candle closes in 1 minute.
the world, why they sound of the fresh shit. Forcing the fame in my favor, kick back and watch the skeleton. biggest fear is to change. If I lose it, then reunite. Will I break the promise to stay the same?
Huh? He just broke. He just broke above resistance. You didn't miss it.
Middle 2010s, stuck in a place secluded deep in my mind. I'm looking out through the lens. Was in a rush to become who I am. Looking back, then I realized that I do it again. All these unfamiliar faces fade from existence back when they pick up the time, and I've been forgiven, but I'm never forgiven. I kept it solid and simple, stuck to the real. My word been in mind, yours artificial. You frequent with the slip up. Used to love this shit more like this was all that I needed. Travel to enter the world amidst the pleasure with business. Take my time on it, won't benefit from overdue revision. Learn through they lackluster love, it's rooted deep in the heat. Tread water lightly, the waves intimidate them. Won't in my hand much too often. I set the expectation, now I navigate it dolo. Unclear on praises you gave. When there's the finest line between jealousy signs and your vibration. This one's for them calling me crazy. More for the ones that told them pay me no mind. Those were the words that shaped me. Or rounded it with a pin that I pieced it all together. Standing here puzzled at the way we put up the foundation. This one's for the brodies, I got us. Get 50-50, keeping some of 100. Make do what life has got us.
Waiting for this 30 minutes to flip bullish.
We got us in time, we allotted.
Remember, entry is going to be on the 15 minute.
The way things were gone, I'm all in on the table. They made the plan for the night, I made the long-term arrangement. We take it up to a peak that we no longer afraid of. I just wanna be what we do. Is this what we are?
Thank you for subscribing, Harris Miller. So we're just waiting for this 30-minute candle to flip bullish. Once it flips bullish, we're taking a buy. Man, I don't trade Euro GBP. If you trade it, can you send it to the Discord, and then I'll take a look at it. I'm really hoping this bearish candle can flip bullish before it closes. That would be nice. I'm not in yet, guys. I'm not in yet. I'm not in yet, guys. Still waiting. I just took buys on EU, guys. I just took buys. I just took buys. Yeah. See what happens.
Only going forward, they no going backwards. Anytime we in the booth,
us, I won't let them get the best of me. We been pushing forward, we ain't focused on what's yesterday. They wanna know the formula, can let them know the recipe. Metal to the floor, yeah, the engine roll. Pull the top down on the two doors. You can't push no buttons in this new car. Can't let them push our buttons, we came too far. Sometimes you gotta remind them what you do it for. We just came up, we was too poor. Got the brothers on the feet, we from New York. They could feel it in our body, know we too pure. We was too mature, way before 24. I got kicks up in my closet that I never wore. We was down bad, now check the new score. They know it's ISO to the ending, we the new norm.
All right. Alright, GJ is trying to do the total opposite of what I thought it was going to do. What do you mean? What do you mean? What do I normally use? I don't understand what you mean, Harris Miller. Oh, 12, you took the buys on GJ? The target is 90 to 100 pips. Okay. Yeah, if this candle breaks above this zone here, yeah, GJ should be heading back to 161, 400. But I feel like if GJ breaks this support here to the left, it breaks above, I feel like it's going to reject here. It's going to reject there and continue coming down. Action from India, thank you for hopping on. But for me, I'm actually only looking to take sales. If it does not break above 161, 400, 161, 500, I'm not taking the buys. I don't care if it goes up and then I miss out on it. I'm only looking for sales. If it breaks above 161.500, then I'll take buys. You said it's going to fill the imbalance and head down.
some appearances. Feeling more solid about who the man in the mirror is. I reach for hearts to
Euro USD is a very slow moving pair.
but off the mic, I barely speak it all. I seldom see a flaw, bitch, I need it all. Shook by the way life is lately. I feel the earth pirouette, I'm dazed like I'm seeing stars. Got them all on the wave, it's more than just words to a page. Just feel like I'm hosting a read-along. I speak in tongues. No translation, I'm out the bottle, I'm grieving, leaving the beat, needed CPR. Disconnected, I feel the pressure, need acceptance from the crevice. Where all my homies on something special, they subtle flexing. Still they hella selfish, chasing a bag, but it's good, they don't need the Franklins to keep it 100. I'm seeing shit down the barrel, I named that gun right America. Armed with the inkjet, I'm flaring up in my element. We're losing brothers to bullshit, we need protection, cause real niggas is rare enough. Rewrite the narrative, I conquer that feat alone. Got the needle jumping like bungee, I'm in the field like I'm hunting. The work is dope off the burner, I'm calculated, I'm talking numbers, pray for longevity. Sent to somebody's deity, wrote it down as my therapy. Yeah.
You could also reject from a minor zone. Not even a minor zone, because we have this support here. We have this support here to the left. And price came down here, we tested it before it pushed up. So it might not even get to 161.500 before it rejects and pushes down.
Talk is dense, I'm trying to make sense of it. My stomach turning between its lip and the dissonance. I know some people that's feeling sick just existing here. Brain blister, been caught up deep in the thick of it. I lane switch through the fog, it's hard to see where I'm heading. But forget ain't no turning back, the past is where we've been. It feel like something missing. And I've been out here on the impossible, pushing my head down and myself.
So if you took the bites already, you're already up almost 50 pips.
I'm trying to maintain the vision. People that know
Why not take partials and let the trade run?
when I'm just scrolling through images. Truth be told, I feel pain, but I'm on the pinnacle. Been chasing this music thing for a minute though. Know some good people that never see success. And here I am sitting worried about show appearances. With everything crazy, you still my source of peace. You filter out the lows, you give me what I need. Give you the world, but it don't belong to me. It's feeling like it's
They could also still reject from here too. But it broke above the range though. We might see sales during New York session with GJ. Troy, you should take some partials and move your stops to entry on GJ buys that you took. EU.
Yeah, everybody fall down once. Every logo fall down once. Yeah, everybody fall down once. Every logo fall down once. Hold it when it comes. It ain't gonna stay when it drop when it fall down. Hold it when it comes. It ain't gonna stay when it drop when it fall down. Sick of love flipping through fingertips. Watch that flame keep it flipping. Know that bigger, development, bitterness. I think we bigger than all of them little things. Love unconditional, disaster is given up. We ain't got minutes to spend spitting divvy up. I know what you did cause you human and no man is perfect, so I expect you to. Yeah.
All that's said is done. All that's done, gone under the sun. Won't you come with me? Fall in love like nothing matters said for us.
Yeah, everybody fall down once. Yeah, every logo fall down once.
Good morning, Miss Dorothy.
Fall down once. Every logo fall down once. Hold it when it comes. It ain't gonna stay when it drop it when it fall down. Pick that up. Hold it when it comes. It ain't gonna stay when it drop it when it fall down. Pick that
EU is stripping right now.
Everybody fall down once. Yeah, every love go fall down once. Yeah, everybody fall down once. Every love go fall down once. Hold it when it comes. It ain't gonna stay when it drop. When it fall down, pick that up. Hold it when it comes. It ain't gonna stay when it drop. When it fall down, pick that up.
You took buys or sells on GJ? Thank you for subscribing, Alan. GJ for me, I'm only looking for sales because I feel like it's gonna drop. My bias is not gonna, my sell bias on GJ is not gonna change, like I said earlier, until it closes above 161.500. And I'm gonna stick to it. Oh man. You took buys on GJ just Junior? If GJ decides to keep coming down now, I don't think it's gonna break below 159.000 until New York session.
Feeling more solid about who the man in the mirror is. I reach for hearts through the speaker box to connect with strangers. Painting the page with the language, but off the mic I barely speak it all. I seldom see a flaw, but I need it.
I'm surprised about with this London session today. The same thing yesterday. That EJ trade, we didn't take the buys until like I think 5 or 5:30 a.m. And EU is tripping right now.
Got the needle jumping like bungee. I'm in the field like I'm hunting. The work is dope off the burner. I'm calculated. I'm talking numbers. Pray for longevity. Sent to somebody's deity. Wrote it down as my therapy. Yeah, deep in tune with my energy. That's how the way flows.
Is it stupid to use 0.01 lot size? Feel like it won't make. I mean, it depends on your account size.
Talk is dense, I'm trying to make sense of it.
Using 0.01 lot size depends on your account size. I don't know what your account size is, so I can't really answer that question.
But fuck it, ain't no turning back. The past is where we've been. I feel like something missing. And I've been out here on the impossible mission. My head down to myself, and I smile to stay in the moment while trying to stay on my feelings. Trying to boost my subscribers, I'm trying to maintain the vision. People that know me closest live different than what they show me. It's hard to feel like they know me when I'm just scrolling through images.
So it looks like GJ just rejected 160,400,
And this music thing.
160.400.
Some good people that never see success. And here I am sitting worried about show appearances. With everything crazy, you still my source of peace. You filter out the lows, you give me what I need. Give you the world, but it don't belong to me. It's feeling like it's love, if not, it's the closest I'll be.
Oh, you have $200? I mean, you can risk 1%. 1% of 200 is, I mean, that's $2. I mean, you can do 0.05 lot size or 0.10. But if you're risking 1%, I mean, only take one trade. Just only take one trade. When I trade, I only risk 1 to 2%. Majority of the time, I only risk 1% of my account size. Hopefully GJ is going to start coming down now with just rejection here at 160.400. This low volatility in the markets this week, you know, we also in NFP week. This is NFP week. Plus, we have the war going on between Russia and Ukraine. I need EU to keep going up here. I mean, Monday, the market moved down in London, except for yesterday. The market really moved down in New York, and then it moved during the Asian session yesterday, especially the JPY pairs. Got a 30-minute versus a full. You said GJ needs to fly like an eagle above 116,414 level. Yeah, that's the level he's at right now. If he breaks above it, then like GJ is gonna reject here or reject here. Hopefully it's not going to range at this zone. If it should start ranging here, then GJ might drop come New York session. It's not, if you look at the 4-hour time frame, GJ is not really a strong sell, because number one, the overall trend is an uptrend. Number one, for it to be a strong sell, it's going to have to break 159.000, then it's going to be a strong sell, because at that point GJ could get to 158.000 or 157, which is this zone here, or this zone here, before he pushes back up again, if he wants to push back up. So it's not really a strong sell, but like I said, I still feel like if it does not break above this zone now that is at right now, if it's ranging, if it starts ranging, it might drop during come New York session. So, but if it does not range here, then it might get to 167.24 or 161.500 and reject and drop, or it could just break above it. So, and that's where I'm going to take my buys. Thank you for subscribing, Duncan. Are you guys in EU? Yeah, EU is not looking pretty right now after the 30-minute kind of bullish flip. might have to trade New York session today. Because I don't think I'm gonna be able to take any more trades during this London, so I might have to take one trade during New York session today if it gives me what I'm looking for. Let me look at EU on the H4 again. After the bullish flip, now it's dropping. Trading the market this year are too extreme. I want to finish this month. Tomorrow is the last day of this month. I want to finish this month with at least 75 to 80% win rate. Right now I'm at 78. If EU can just go away, that should take me to 80%. And then we still got tomorrow and Friday. I'm gonna end this stream at 5:30, guys. I'm just trying to wait on EU to see what EU is gonna do. Wasn't looking to trade EU today, but I did now. So I'm just gonna wait and see what it does. This week has been a little bit lucky so far, though. Thank you for subscribing, Charles. EU is pulling back. Oh wow. Alrighty. Don't forget to stop out on EU. Alright. Alright. You guys saw what you guys saw what EU did right there. Look at that. All right. Okay. What? You didn't set your stop loss? Oh yeah, I'm out of EU. It took me out. You probably can set your stop loss. I didn't want to have a huge stop loss on EU. That's why I set my stop loss right there. But I was gonna set it below this zone here, but that was gonna be too big. So took me out. It will be crazy if EU decides to go up now. That was a freaking quick loss. Nice, Troy. Yeah, like I said, with this freaking GJ, if it keeps ranging here, I mean, New York session GJ might drop. And now we go to this zone here, now it's just ranging. Now it's just ranging. Alright. Oh, that's crazy. Caleb, if you're still in EU, you should probably get out. Well guys, I think I'm gonna end this live stream. I'm gonna send trades down in New York. I'm gonna go take a nap. I'll send it to the Discord. So I'll see what happens with this JPY pairs or maybe GU. But I'm not trading GU until after this after this news event at 7:15 a.m. my time. So be on the lookout for the signals I'm going to send during the New York session. Hopefully the market trends during the New York session. So we'll see what happens. Alright guys, thank you for helping on. God bless you all. I'll see you guys tomorrow, London session. We took EU buys today. That was a loss. Let me see something real quick before I end this. See something with the JPY. Okay. Yes. Something must have happened with EU. But the European news already ended, so I don't know. Alright guys, I'll send out the trades on Discord. If you're not on Discord, the link is down below in the description. Aside from that, I'll see you guys tomorrow live. Thank you guys for helping on. God bless you all. Peace. I'm out. I'm going to take me a nap so I can get up for New York session.